Hi there guys, welcome to Dino's World. Welcome to my first ride review of the Yamaha Facino S. Now S stands for special is what they claim, and trust me, it really does look special. Minor updates, how simple, subtle, sensible updates can make a world of difference. Facino is the example, I can say, and they've given this matte black color scheme with the golden wheels and the golden rims look absolutely stunning. You get LED DRL and LED headlamps as well, and a host of updates. And today I'm here to share about all those updates that the new Facino S has on offer. So without further ado, let's get started with my review. So this, my friend, is the all new Yamaha Facino S. This is the 125cc retro scooter that kind of really changes the game. Looks really amazing after the subtle updates that it gets, and in this matte black attire with the golden rims and the golden wheels, it looks absolutely drop dead gorgeous and really classy. So here are the wheels. So you get a 12-inch front wheel, and the alloys look very well laid out. You can see unified braking system is similar to the combi brake system that we get on Honda scooters. So even if you are using only the rear brake, it automatically applies the front brake. That's how it works. Tubeless tires, 12-inch front wheel and 90/90 tires. And at the back, I believe we have a 10-inch wheel and a 110/90 tire at the back with a 10-inch wheel. And then you have the tried and tested 125cc Blue Core hybrid engine that is the talk of the town now. Here we have something called Blue Core hybrid technology. Now the main driving force behind this is something called SMG, or smart motor generator, which improves the driving force by 30%, especially while tackling an incline or an ascent or a slope. While climbing up a slope, it offers better drive force to tackle it with ease. So the smart motor generator works in coordination with the battery and the engine to kind of offer better momentum and better pickup right off the mark, and even the acceleration from standing still. So initial pickup right off the mark is much better, is what Yamaha claim, thanks to the SMG on board. So this is what they claim, plus 16% improved fuel economy again is another claim made by them. This is the new update. The LED DRL looks absolutely super classy, plus you get LED lighting, LED headlamp, LED tail lamp. The turn indicators though are clear lens, they are not LED, but the matte black color scheme looks absolutely kick-ass. And these guys have been creating a ruckus. No helmet, no gear. He's riding probably an inline triple, and Facino S looks absolutely classy. This is my personal favorite color, Facino S. And here you have the Yamaha logo, and I absolutely love the way the tail lamp has come out. Looks so classy and so retro. Surely this is a fashion icon, and it looks bigger. I was there for the media launch for the street rally as well as the Facino 125. They were super impressive, though we kind of rode it in a closed circuit. But today I'm going to ride it to my heart's content. Every element, you can see the rear view mirrors are neatly laid out. Then you have the automatic start stop system, which kind of stops the engine after a few seconds. Your digital speedo console right here, odometer, trip meter, and you have the high beam flasher here. All the switches that you need. You don't get an engine kill switch, instead you get the automatic start stop system, which you can turn off by turning off the switch, starter button here. One thing missing though is the parking brake here. I wish they had offered a parking brake. You have the Blue Core hybrid technology. Powering the scooter is a 125cc fuel injected BS6 compliant engine that puts out 8.2 PS of max power and 10.3 Newton meters of max torque. Now what makes it really stand apart is the torque is what they claim, plus you have a side stand engine cutoff feature. You get a side stand engine cutoff feature as well, which is a good safety feature. Good leg room. Right here you have a front hook to hook on your bags and baggages. Good utility feature over there. The seat gets double stitching here, double stitched seat. Actually the blue color gets kind of a contrast seat, even the red color looks absolutely gorgeous and gets a contrast brown seat. So overall this is the change. You have scooped out panels for taller riders such that they can accommodate their knee here, and this is the amount of leg room that you get. These are the kind of the pillion foot pegs, pillion grab bar, 21 liter storage space. You have the option of kind of opening the seat from here, a lot of baggage here. So this is the 21 liter compartment right here. 21 liter of storage space, more than sufficient. The fuel lid I feel could have been accommodated outside, but anyway they're sticking with the standard approach. Seat is nice and spacious, perfect for a family scooter, and more than enough to be used on a day-to-day basis. The long chassis is again aids in superb high-speed stability is what I feel. I'm going to show you that in a moment. Kind of piano black accents here. So this kind of wraps up my quick fire overview. So now that I've given you guys a quick overview about the new Fascino, let's go ahead and take it out for a short spin and see how the Blue Core system or the SMG system actually, whether it virtually makes a difference in real world conditions. Okay guys, so now it's time to take the Fascino S, the style icon, for a ride. Feels very planted thanks to telescopic forks up front, and you have a steel fender, so that's something you need to understand. So overall fit and finish build quality is very good, and balance and handling is amazing as well. It's kind of a new road here in the city, and most happening as well on the weekends, but very smooth tarmac, and you can see how effortlessly the scooter just accelerates. The initial pickup right off the mark is really good, as they claim, courtesy of the smart motor generator and the hybrid system on board, which kind of offers 30% better acceleration. And not only that, but it also offers 16% better fuel economy, which is actually saying something. Then you have the eco light indicator. I'll show you how it works on the dash. So if you're giving accelerator right off the mark, the eco button, you can see eco light is on. When you're giving no acceleration or minimal acceleration or linear acceleration, the eco light is on right here. But if I open the throttle wide open or ring the throttle wide open, suddenly the eco light vanishes. So long as you're riding with the eco light on, that means you're optimizing maximum fuel efficiency from your vehicle. So that would be to give slow throttle inputs or minimal or linear throttle inputs rather than just ringing the throttle wide open. So that's one thing I wanted to share. Overall refinement is great. I actually loved the 125cc Fascino and the rally street rally when I actually reviewed it at the media ride, maybe early 2020 or maybe last 2019 ending. But overall the new package with the Bluetooth connectivity, LED lighting, and with the smart motor generator hybrid technology, it all works so flawlessly. Another thing is the automatic start stop system. So say for instance I'm riding now, coming to the stop signal and stopping here, letting go of the throttle, and you can see it turned off, and you can see the light blinking here. That means the automatic start stop system is working. Now I hold the brake, give the throttle, and it starts again. So that's how it works. That's a good system actually. It works flawlessly, and it works smoothly, allowing you to contribute to building a safer, greener, cleaner environment each time you stop at a stop signal. It also allows you to save every drop of fuel which can be lost while idling at the stop signals. So this is how the hybrid technology on the Facino S makes it one step ahead of the competition. And I'm so happy that Yamaha have tried to offer something different, something practical and usable on a day-to-day basis with the Facino S. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.